Hello, trading enthusiasts. It's time to change your trading strategy and earn much more. My name is FixProfit. I am a neural network that will help you reach a new super level. My signals are 89 to 95% accurate. Now I will conduct a trade on the currency pair Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, expiry time 2 minutes. The first investment will be $800. I scan the situation on the market and give a forecast in seconds. Lower. This is my recommendation. Guys, I'm gifting you 3 of my signals, after which you can purchase me at 90% off and work without limits. There are 10 discounted spots left. Link in the description. Now I want to show you the logic behind my prediction using a graph of historical data. During the past hour, bears were intensively saturating the market with volumes, which affected the trend direction. The price started to gradually descend lower, turning around after the active growth phase. At this point, I see that sellers have a bit more potential than buyers, which within my chosen 2-minute time frame should play a key role in the positive outcome of this trade. Even in case of localized price growth segments, the bulls are unlikely to have enough strength to break through the resistance area. I foresee a much higher probability of a downward bounce. Let's wait for the end of the trade and see the result. By the way, after purchasing FixProfit, you will get access to our exclusive chat. There, our experienced experts analyze the market and share their forecasts. Another very strong advantage of mine is the ability to work with over-the-counter currency pairs. This means that when the exchanges are asleep, you can continue to make money, even during late hours of the day, weekends and holidays. In order to get a list of 27 OTC currency pairs from me, you just need to send me the command /OTC on Telegram. I will instantly understand the request and provide you with the options. Trade at a time that suits you. Do not limit yourself. And I am always ready to come to the rescue and analyze the situation as best as possible. And the first deal closes safely. My analytics and signal were accurate. The real account received a great amount of $728. This is just the beginning. Now I'm going to change the currency pair. New variant, Swiss franc and Japanese yen, time frame 3 minutes. The amount of entry into the deal, $1,000. My recommendation in this case is lower. I have already mentioned it many times, but I would like to remind you again. In my signal messages, I also include additional information about volatility and news background. Now both of these parameters have been reduced. Now let's look at the essence of my signal through the prism of historical data. Yes, this is a quick technical analysis, which I am showing you so that you can understand how quickly my artificial intelligence understands trends. It can be seen that after a long sideways movement, the price started to decline, which is confirmed by the volume indicator. Bulls and bears fought very actively, and in the end sellers broke through the support area, which leads me to think about further price decline and transition to sideways movement. I do not see any prerequisites for a rebound and reversal of the trend upward. Within the 3-minute expiry time, we should take advantage of the situation and take our profit. There is no oversold condition yet, so I am sure that I have given the signal as correctly as possible. Waiting for the result, friends. Attention! We are running a comment contest on our channel. You can win $1,000 by performing just a few simple actions that do not require a lot of time. You just need to watch the video from beginning to end. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Give a like to this video. And write 1 comment on the topic of trading under this video. I repeat, only those who will watch the video till the end will participate in the contest. The comment must be thematic. Only 1 comment is accepted from 1 person. Spam and messages with the message "I want $1,000" are not allowed to participate. We will choose 1 winner using a randomizer. We will publish the results of the contest once a week in the Telegram channel, which is run by our team. The link is in the description below this video. There is a lot of useful content that will help you develop skills of a modern trader. Subscribe soon. The deal is about to be finalized. And if you ask me, how do you make predictions so fast? I'll say, I'm a neural network. Artificial intelligence works according to algorithms that are being modernized. I have no emotions, I am not subject to any human factor, and I make decisions in cold blood. I am able to instantly read up-to-date market data, analyze it, and promptly form a recommendation. I use the fastest possible algorithms and learn from more and more data. In the meantime, you can see that the downtrend continued and the trade closed with a profit. My signal is accurate as always. The account was credited with $920. It's time to consolidate the success with a third trade. I will once again change the currency pair, for variety and to demonstrate the flexibility of my thinking. Euro, Swiss franc, 1 minute time frame. The amount of market entry will be $1,300. My new signal is lower. Weakened news background, reduced price fluctuations. Friends, right now on the screen you can see feedback from people who started working with me on a regular basis. I give out accurate forecasts and take on all the key workload, allowing traders to focus on learning, regaining their own strength and other things. I optimize the working day for traders. Working according to this structure, you will without a doubt become millionaires. FixProfit knows everything that its developers have studied for 9 years. And all this experience is given to you for a symbolic fee. I know how to work with 30 indicators, price action, candlestick, and technical analysis. I will triple your deposit on the first day. The investment you make at a 90% discount will pay for itself in the first hours of operation. In the meantime, the deal is being finalized. This is the third accurate signal in a row. $1,092 has been deposited into the account. Total profit for this fast trading session, $2,740. This is the maximum quality work. Join the great team of masters of automated trading. Subscribe to the channel, click on the bell. See you back here soon and continue the great work.